Hello everyone, welcome to Flying Skies 1. Before getting on to the video, we would request everyone to please like, share, subscribe to Flying Skies 1 and support our channel. Thanks a lot. Also, we wish you all a happy and a prosperous new year 2022. Let's get on to the video. This is Tata Nexon Car cover by AutoFurnish. This fits in 2017 to 2020 models, also the latest models, I believe. So as you can see, the entire cover is wrapped up in a cover bag. Nice looking cover bag. I opted for silver one. So you have options of red and also black color. So as you can see, this is scratch proof, waterproof, prevents any bird dirt. It's of very good quality. Yeah. Let's open the cover. It is folded with 2-3 foldings before it opens up to cover the entire next one. Also, if you see it from inside, it is covered with soft finish, which really helps us avoid any tiny scratches to our Nexon body. So, one tip I would like to tell you here, please do clean your car with soft cloth before covering it up with this cover, which really helps us to avoid any tiny scratches that's happening on the car body. As you can see, it's getting installed in the Tata Nexon. So the side view looks like this. It's pretty good looking cover which covers everything of the car except for tires by AutoFurnish. So let me also demonstrate few things. One is scratch resistant, also the water resistant. I took a mug of water and poured on the cover. If you can see, the water droplets are falling off from the cover. We didn't test it in the rain yet because it's not rained yet, but we would expect the cover to be same. Yeah, also there is no water coming inside. If you can see, the scratch is also checked. So there's no scratch coming onto the surface of the body. Yeah. So this is all we have today, and we highly recommend you this product. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel Flying Skies 1. Thank you.